Okay? See these examples. What time did you reach home? What time did you arrive home? So you can replace it with the word get. What time did you get home? When do you think you will reach here? When do you think you will arrive here? When do you think you'll get here? Easy? By now we have replaced 3 words with the word get. Let's see them again. The first is receive or find. Second is become. And the third is arrive or reach. Now the fourth way, which is very important and very casual. I mean, it is used very often in the conversation, and that is understand. Understand. Now let's replace this word with get. I didn't understand what you said. Could you please repeat? I didn't get what you said. Could you please repeat? He never understands my point. He never gets my point. Didn't I tell you this one is very common in the conversation? You must have seen people using it a lot in their conversation. So this is the most important use of get, which I feel everyone should know and everyone should use. Now the next verb we are going to replace with the word get is take. Take. You can take a cab from the main road. You can get a cab from a main road. I'll take you there on time. I'll get you there on time. So this take is actually taking someone with you to some place. So there you use take instead of take, you can use get. Now this one can bring a bit of confusion for you, and this is the 6th use of get, okay? We just used it for the verb take, and now we are using it for the verb give or serve, okay? For example, in a party, if you ask someone, can I serve you a drink? You can say, can I get you a drink? I shall give you some help in a moment. I shall get you some help in a moment. Interesting, no? So this is how we use the verb get in so many contexts. Wait, I have more verbs for you. And the next one is buy. B-U-Y, buy. So we can replace buy with the word get. If you want to say somebody that now you should buy a new dress for you, you would say you should buy a new dress for the party. Now change it with the word get. You should get a new dress for the party. Shall I buy something to eat from market? Shall I get something to eat from market? I'm sure by now you want to revise all the verbs that we have replaced by now. So yeah, let's have a look at all the verbs. So the first one is receive. Second is become. Third is arrive. Fourth is understand. Fifth is take. Next, the 6th is give or serve, and 7 is buy. Now let's see the next use of. Let's begin. So, what can the word get mean? The most common meaning of the word get that you will see in the conversation very often, that is receive or find. So whenever you use this word receive in your sentence, you can easily replace it with the word get. For example, you sent a mail to your friend and now you want to ask your friend, did he receive your mail or not? In place of receive here, you can use get. Did you receive my mail yesterday? Did you get my mail yesterday? Also, in place of the word find, you can use the word get. I was looking for my dress since long and finally I found it. I was looking for my dress since long and finally I got it. See how easy it is to replace the word receive or find with the word get? And this was the first use of the word get. Let's see the next use now. If your sentence contains the word become in it, you can easily replace it with the word get. For example, if I talk to one of my students who's learning English since long, and now if I want to compliment him by saying that you are becoming better at English day by day, so in place of become, I can use the verb get. See the difference now. You're becoming better at English day by day. You're getting better at English day by day. Did you notice the difference and how easily I switch the verb become and get? Try using it with other sentences also and you'll be easily able to replace the word become with the word get. Now the third way you can use the word get is in place of arrive or reach. Okay? See these examples. What time did you reach home? What time did you arrive home? So you can replace it with the word get. What